Now today we will discussing about construction of matrix. So how to construct an matrix, how to construct, what is the element. So just start construction of matrix. How to construct? If you have relation between rows and column, then how to construct a matrix? Okay, so in general form, just explain it. A matrix A having element represented as simply A11, A12, A13 and so on up to A M. Now still similarly, actually this is a first row and first column, so that's why this is A11, and this is a first row and second column, so that's why this is a A1 first row and second column. Okay, now this is a first row and third column, so that's why this is a first, it represents first row and third column. Okay, now and so on up to this is the first row and mth column. Okay, now just this is the first column and second row. Okay, so second row and first column. So just in generalize, this is a A3 and 1 up to AN and 1. This is a second, and this is a second row and second column, so the position of element is A22, and this is a second row and third column, so 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so this is also third row and second column, so A3, 2 and so on. Okay, now what is the order of matrix? Actually there are n rows and m columns, so n cross n is order of matrix. Okay, so this is a general form of matrix. We will using, just you have remembered it, then you solve construction of matrix type of question. Just let an example. Construct a 2 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by A of Ij is equals to I plus 2j. Okay, this is the question. Construct a 2 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by A of Ij is equals to I plus 2j, where I and j represent row and column. Okay, so just solve it. what is the order of matrix? Order of matrix is 2 cross 3. That means matrix have 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so this is a matrix A having first row and first column. Then this is a A11 and A12, A13. Okay, now this is a A21, A22 and A23. This is a value of I and j. This is a value of I and j. Okay, just put the value of I and j in this relation. You get the elements of that particular values. Okay, so just fill here. If you put I is equals to 1 and j is equals to 1, then what is the value of A11? So just put I is equals to 1, then here 1 plus 2, and what is the value of j? J is 1, so just multiply by 1. That means A11 is equals to what? 3. Is it clear? So A11 is equals to 3. Now similarly, A12 is equals to what? Just put here 1 plus 2 and multiply by 2, it will get 5. Okay, now just A13. So what is the relation? Relation is A of I z is equals to I plus 2z. Okay, so I is 1 and j is 2, so it will give 1 plus 2 into 3. That means 1 plus 2 into 3. 3 into 2 6, plus 1 7. Okay, now again A21. So it will give I is what? The value of I is 2 and the value of j is 1. So 2 plus 1 into 2, that means it will give 5. Okay, now similarly A22, that means I is also 2 and j is also 2. Just put the value of I and j in this equation, then you obtain the value of A22. So 2 plus 2 into 2, it gives 6. Okay, now again last A2 and 3. So just put the value of I is equals to 2 and j is equals to 3 in given equation. Okay, so just put here 2 plus 2 into 3, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 what? 8. So you have all the values obtained. Okay, so just put all the values in this matrix and then you get answer of this question. Okay, so what is the final answer of this question? A is equals to what is the value of A11? A11 is equals to, A11 is equals to 3. So this is a 3. Now this is a A12. What is the value? 5. And what is the value of A13? So where is 1 3? Yeah, this is the value of A13. This is a 7. Okay, now again what is the value of A21? The value of A21 is simply 5. Now A22 is 6. So just 6 put on here. And now again A23. What is the value of A23? The value of A23 is 8. So just put it here. What is the order? There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Actually, this is a given in your question. Okay. So this is a final answer of your question.